fun.
He's calling all his mates. What's coming? Good.
With the help of a kind zookeeper, a wandering chimp pedals back to the zoo.
Yeah. Yeah, they do. Okay, well, they'll be done with it in just a second.
This elephant can give him wings, but he'll give him a fulcrum to reach his dream. Call this monkey's body a ball, because it can roll anywhere. Feeling the sweetness of that woman's nose is something not everyone can do.
I think I'll do a wraparound. We'll wrap around.
Combining with a perfect partner like this is an effective way to create an impressive performance. Even his large size cannot hide a small soul that longs for affection. Holding a fan meeting's easy, as long as the humans have enough food for those fans.
Get in there.
Smile.
Not everyone's lucky enough to meet and take a selfie with a global star like this. If you want to lift weights but can't go to the gym, don't miss this useful tool. Thanks for the free meal, handsome and bearded guy. Even though his volleyball experience is zero, he still becomes a potential human opponent. A classy lady is heading to the event with the help of her bodyguard.
Good job, Susie.
Oh, that face. Oh my god.
How high can we go?
Guess who's the third wheel in a certain couple's exciting romantic date? With the cat keeping a watchful eye on her, this girl is sure to ace her exams.
Mine.
It's like shake it.
Oh my
How
God.
do you get off?
It's got a hold of her pant leg.
Being around animals is a surefire way to keep your inner child alive and kicking. No matter how much attention she received, her eyes still only are focused on this man.
This little boy.
The privilege of VIP customers is to receive the most generous priority.
Stop it! You're not hungry. What? Stop it! Stop! There's nothing gonna come out of there. I promise you. You got it?
With this swimming ace guiding the way, they'll pick up some nifty swimming strokes in no time. Hello, welcome back to my ocean vlog. Our guest today is a beautiful lady.
Shaving. Badger style shaving.
Kitty will never refuse to let someone know who's the most important to Dad.
What?
Her beauty is nothing to the world, but to this child, it's a masterpiece. Because he was so immersed in honey, he could only be speechless. Girl, tell me, how many magnets do you attach to your body? Love for nature's probably the thread that makes them become each other's soulmates. Thank you very much and have a nice day.